Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Alright. Okay, I have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Ooh, the passion card almost jumped out. Alright, I'm seeing free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. True love, this is a romance of a lifetime. Bottom of the deck, let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay. Okay, Scorpio. So, I'm saying that someone needs to make a decision. They need to make a decision. They need to stick with this decision. Because I'm seeing that there's someone here that's trying to get out of some type of situation. And remember I told you the passion card tried to jump out. So this is someone who basically thinks about you a lot, right? And they're hoping that you're staying optimistic about being with them because they know that you're their one true love. Like, you're it, period, point blank. But I do feel like this person can be very stubborn. They could be, in their, ego, their pride. They have to let all of that down, right? So that way they can get themselves out of this situation, and they need to make the effort to basically approach you. All right. All right, Scorpio. Let's see. What's going on with my Scorpios, please? Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Chariot reverse. So, this is telling me that somebody's not making a move towards you just yet. I mean, we figured that because of what just came out. Yeah, this person's afraid that basically you're not going to accept their offer. And that's why they're asking that you're staying optimistic. Hoping that you're staying optimistic about being with them because this person, they choose you. They want to balance things out with you, but they know that in order for that to happen, they have to make a change. Okay. Alright, so again, decisions. I told you they're going to have to make a decision here. But see, the thing is, the decision that they made is that they want to have a new beginning with you. So to me, this is saying the decision has already been made. But that's why I told you guys in the beginning, it's like when they make this decision, I need them to stick to it. It's like they keep going back and forth. This person definitely was being really immature and childish towards you in the past, and I feel like they're coming out of a situation where they had a lot of sadness and regret. For some of you, maybe this person is trying to get themselves together because they could have taken some type of financial loss. But see, there's the World. I told you this person definitely wants to have a new opportunity with you guys. But there's some type of home, living, family situation going on. That's what they're trying to get out of. See? Yeah, look at that. 2 4s. I told you. There is some type of home or family situation that this person is trying to get out of, right? And this is why they can't give you that stable offer just yet. But see, this is also letting me know they're trying to, or they will be basically putting down that pride, that ego, because see, they know that they hurt you. And so this is why they keep going back and forth with the decision, because they want to heal things with you. But see, there's the King of Wands. Ooh. It's like they're gonna be confident, right, when they come towards you. But I really do feel like they think about a lot of things that they said to you in the past. And it's like they want to rush in, but they feel like you don't want them anymore. They feel like you don't want to build with them. And see, that's why they're talking to someone, because they're wanting to take a leap to come towards you. But this person, they watch you. They keep a very close eye on you. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio. Lord, I'm skipping a sign. I've been doing this all day, y'all. Sorry. Okay, let's back up. So let me just move this to make sure. So, okay, we're good. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio. But I'm seeing that somebody's trying to put an end to a situation. See, look, they're going to walk away. So whatever this home, family, living situation is, they're going to get out of it. So that's why they watch you from afar, because they're trying to get out of the situation first. Yep. See, I told you they're trying to free themselves. 7 of Cups laying on top of free themselves. So it's like they're trying to make a decision, right? on, okay, what do I need to do to get out of this situation? Because the decision is, I want out. I'm going to get out. It's just how to go about doing it. Okay. They feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. But I am feeling like there's somebody around them that they're feeling like this about, right? Because they want to be with you, but somebody's holding on to them for money. See, there's the devil. Could be a Capricorn. Why is the devil here? I'm definitely picking up some manipulation. Yeah, it's like they're realizing the truth in a situation, and this is why they've been moving slow, because they're waiting on something when it comes to money. So this could be either some type of settlement. This could be something that they feel like is owed to them, you know, and it's like they're waiting. But they know that they have you waiting around. See, they're going through a tower moment. And I think the tower moment for them is realizing the truth about the situation that they were in. They're realizing the truth about you. See, they hurt you. They broke your heart. You know, being in some type of third-party situation. And that's why now it's like it's going to take some time because they're trying to get out of some type of family situation. That's why they're not really talking to you. Little to no communication. They know they left you out in the cold. But I'm seeing, yeah, right now the focus is on their finances. They're trying to work really hard to get out of their situation. They hurt you. They know they did, see? But right now they're in this codependent situation because I feel like this person has been giving to someone else, or they've been giving to others, right? And yes, they want to give to you, but they know that things aren't going to improve until they settle something with this other individual first. Alright. So, they're trying to make a decision, clarify. I told you, they're going to get out of this third-party situation. But they feel like the seeds they planted with you, they're not going to grow. But I'm going to tell you something. This person tried to work things out with, whether this is a love interest, family, a friend, whatever it is. It's like they tried to move forward and not look back at you. And now they're realizing those seeds they planted with that other person or those other individuals, it didn't work out in their best, you know. Lord, I'm getting tongue-tied. It didn't work out for them, okay? It didn't. And see, this is why they're isolating themselves, because they're trying to figure out, again, how do I cut these people or this person that I move forward with or I listen to, how do I cut them off? You know, and they're losing hope when it comes to you. Tell me more. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I'm seeing that they want to give you an offer. Ooh, I've been seeing this all day. I'm seeing 2 kings here. Hell, it might be 3 because this one's creeping. So, at this point, Scorpios, maybe some of you guys have offers, you know, coming in. If not, you will be really soon. And this person, I think they're worried. They're having a hard time. Because, see, right now it's like they can't move forward just yet because they're in this other situation. But they're afraid that by the time they free themselves, you're going to be with someone else. You know, or you're going to be talking to someone else. Could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, see? Right now, things aren't balanced, financially speaking. See, it's family. I told y'all, this is some type of family situation. That's why there's no balance between the two of you. But look at that. They're going to free themselves. So they are going to get out of it. They are. But they can't move forward with you just yet. They have to complete a cycle. They're still going through their lessons. You know, and it's like they're trying their best not to be frustrated. But they are. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Ace of Swords. Okay, you're a blessing. They feel like you're a blessing to them. And they want this new opportunity with you. But they're afraid that things may not improve because this person did leave you out in the cold in the past. Did I say if y'all were dealing with a Gemini? Y'all, I'm in my... Y'all have to excuse me today. I've been like skipping signs all day long. I don't know why, but whatever. Anyway, could have been dealing with a Gemini. But it's like, yeah, they left you out in the cold. And they want this to work because this person wants a future with you. See, they want this new beginning with you. But for some of you, maybe they have a family with someone else. Yeah, I'm seeing third party here. But this person wants to ask you out. I'm telling you, they want a new beginning with you. But see, they're not happy. Why? That flip kind of interesting. So, the thing is, they want to turn things around with you. They just don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. I just heard pregnancy. I remember telling y'all before the last reading about this spiritual baby, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's like, yes, they want a new beginning with you. They know that they're supposed to have a family with you, all of that. But I do feel like this person, for some of you, put themselves in a situation where they could have gotten someone else pregnant, or they're pregnant by someone else, you know, something like that, or they have a child, you know, could be dealing with a Leo. See, this person was rushing in and out of your life. They were being a player, and they could have got themselves caught up in something. Could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But there's no balance right now, and this is why they keep going back and forth and making a decision between, I feel like they kept going back and forth between you and someone else. They couldn't make up their mind. And that's why they're afraid that you're going to let them go. See, they're worried about it. I told you. They're worried that you're going to let them go. But I'm seeing they're not confused. They're no longer confused. They want to be with you, you know, but I'm seeing that somebody's coming off cold and harsh. It's you. They feel like you're going to go off on them, you know, because of all the back and forth in the past. And they want to be in a relationship with you. You know, I'm seeing it again. They're coming out of feeling stuck in this other situation, but they're saying that they're not listening to their intuition. Because even though they're trying to be frustrated, they're afraid that things may not improve, maybe even financially for them. Yep, they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you, and they're back and forth with justice. Could be dealing with a Libra. Why is justice here? Decisions. Clarify? Yeah. So this is the thing. This is them going back and forth with trying to, one, figure out how you feel about them, but then two, knowing that they're going to have to speak their truth to you, right? But then also some of them could be making a decision because maybe there is some type of contract or a legal situation they have to get out of, right? So at the end of the day, they're coming out of feeling frustrated that they lost you, but they're afraid. Yeah, see? There's some type of long-term commitment that's coming to an end, or a marriage that's coming to an end. Could have been dealing with a Taurus. This is why this person is not being positive, you know, and they're trying to have the confidence to come towards you, but I feel like there's a battle going on. And it's not with you and this other person. I feel like it's this person and someone else, but they're also battling themselves internally. They're trying to figure out, okay, it's like this person is really saying, I wish I did this, or I should have did this, I should have did that. Why did I move in this direction, blah, blah, blah. But there's a battle going on. A lot of arguing, a lot of conflict. Because they're trying to get out of a situation. So this is why they're not making a move just yet. Alright, so Scorpio. Well, let's get you some advice. Spirit is saying that when it comes to you and this other person, it's going to happen, but you have somebody in the background holding on to them. That's one. I'm picking up that for others of you, you guys are like, you know what, I'm moving in a new direction. You could be dealing with someone else, or there's someone else coming in, because this is you moving on. Put this down. This is you moving on, you know, with someone else, right? And then the person that you have this connection to, they're right here just lurking. Because remember, I told you, they're watching. They're watching. See? You had to remove yourself. It's like you're getting out of your head. You're no longer overthinking this. And you removed yourself from this connection because you felt like it was toxic. You know, it's like, see, I told you, look, you're making a change. You're like, nope, I'm getting out of this situation. They can, whoever you're dealing with, love interest, family, friend, they can have you. But Queen of Cups, it's like you guys are really intuitive. You're listening to your intuition, but at the same time, I'm feeling like there is some sadness because I told you, it's like you have this connection, you know, to this person. So it's like you want to be with them, but you're like, I deserve better. I'm not going to just stay because there's a connection here. I'm not going to just wait on this person, and I don't blame you. Like I tell you all the time, do not wait. Keep it moving. See, you're coming out of being frustrated. I told you. Some hesitation with this card. It's like a lot of you guys, you're still having a hard time with this, right? Because at the end of the day, you had no choice but to walk away. You know, you're moving on. You're trying to do what you need to do to heal, right? But at the same time, even though you've been having a hard time doing it, you're doing it. So keep going. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.